My priority is scaling our biomanufacturing technology as fast as possible. The global oils and fats industry is projected to be nearly $1 trillion by 2050, and population is growing to nearly 10 billion people. We have extreme urgency, both in solving the climate problem and in building our business to grow revenue and grow our solution as fast as possible. The new frontier is building things using biology. We have systems today which use plants and agriculture and petroleum, and they're highly scaled, but they're linear and they're deeply extracted, and we're running out of resources. The new frontier is circular, sustainable manufacturing, and we believe that biology powers that, and it's nature's best solution. With a little bit of science, it's going to be the future. Miami is wild. It's full of life. It's full of characters. I think it brings a lot of different solutions and energy, where in other places you've got more sort of single train of thought. Miami brings a lot of charisma and a lot of sunlight.